Students, what we are going to do is we are going to begin with chemistry 2 today. Chemistry 2. I will not come back to chemistry 1 until I finish a few topics because they are very much related to each other. The chemistry 2 topic, I'll begin with halogen derivatives. Which is topic number 10. Very easy. Topic 10. In course of time, I will tell you which are the important questions and all that. We will discuss that. Halogen derivatives. Topic number 10. Point number 1. What are halogen derivatives? The parent atom or the parent group of atoms of any organic compound, the parent chain is called as the hydrocarbon. If in a hydrocarbon means compound of hydrogen and carbon. If in a hydrocarbon, one hydrogen atom or one or any number of hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen. Halogen means symbolically it is represented as X. So, in the family of parent hydrocarbons, if one hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon is replaced by halogen atom, then the so-called compound is called as halogen derivative. First point, what are halogen derivatives? They are the compounds, organic compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of hydrocarbons by halogen atom. Halogen is represented by X. Students, halogen derivatives are classified as depending on the structure of the carbon chain to which the halogen atom is attached. Depending on the structure of carbon chain to which the halogen atom is attached, the halogen derivatives are classified. Halogen derivatives are classified into what? Monohalogen, this is monohalogen. What is the meaning of monohalogen derivative? Monohalogen derivative means the only one halogen atom is attached to a saturated parent alkane. Saturated parent alkane म्हणजे single covalent bond ला जर halogen atom attached असेल, एकच halogen atom, then that is called monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative means here the halogen atom is attached to a parent chain which is saturated. Second, dihalogen derivative. This is monohalogen. Now we will discuss dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivative means here the parent chain is saturated, no doubt. The parent chain is saturated but with two halogen atoms attached. Hence it is called dihalogen derivative. Then we have trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivative means the parent chain is saturated but with three halogen atoms attached. Similarly, you can take monohalogen derivative for an aromatic ring as well. This is monohalogen derivative of aromatic ring. Dihalogen derivative and trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivative. You can take it like this. I'll repeat. Depending on the structure of the carbon chain, the parent chain, halogen derivatives are classified as monohalogen, means basically the parent chain is saturated. Remember, basically the parent chain is saturated. One halogen atom attached. Mono, two halogen atoms attached. Di, three halogen atoms attached to a saturated hydrocarbon. Then it is mono, dihalogen, trihalogen derivative of trihalogen derivatives respectively. कळतंय? हे एक चार्ट झालं. आता पुढचं ऐका, नीट ऐका स्टुडंट्स. Now see the classification of monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives classification. Number 1, we'll put here like this. I'll draw a chart and show. Monohalogen derivatives means only one halogen atom I'll be using. Only one halogen atom I'll be using. Monohalogen, हे डाय आणि ट्राय हे तुमच्या सिलेबसलाच येत नाही. Monohalogen derivative where one halogen atom is attached to the parent chain is further classified into what? प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड किंवा प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड म्हणा किंवा हॅलो अल्केन. प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड्स, सेकंडरी हे क्लासिफिकेशन आणि थर्ड इज टर्शरी. प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइड मीन्स व्हाट? CH3 CH2 X 1 degree halide, meaning halogen atom एकच घ्यायचा, but it is attached to that carbon atom which has only one alkyl group. I written methyl, one alkyl group in its neighborhood. I repeat, 1 degree halide म्हणजे काय? 1 degree halide किंवा प्रायमरी अल्काइल हलाइडचा अर्थ काय? हॅलोजन ॲटम एकच, तो मोनो हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्हचाच क्लासिफिकेशन आहे. मीन्स आय विल बी युजिंग ओनली वन हॅलोजन ॲटम. एनी हॅलोजन ॲटम विल डू. द हॅलोजन ॲटम इज अटॅच्ड टू दॅट कार्बन ॲटम विच हॅज ओनली वन अल्काइल ग्रुप इन इट्स नेबरहुड. त्याला प्रायमरी किंवा 1 डिग्री हलाइड म्हणतात. 2 डिग्री म्हणजे कसं येणार? हे बघा, दिस इज 2 डिग्री हलाइड. 2 degree halide means what? The halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which has two other alkyl groups in its neighborhood. 2 alkyl groups. आता tertiary म्हणजे the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which has 3 alkyl group in its neighborhood. हे 3 degree halide किंवा tertiary alkyl halides. कळतंय? Point number 1. हे monohalogen derivatives चे classification, meaning monohalogen means only one halogen atom will be attached. If it is attached to that carbon atom which has only one alkyl group in its neighborhood, primary or 1 degree. If the halogen is attached, 11वीत शिकता तुम्ही. If the halogen is attached to that carbon which has two other alkyl groups in its neighborhood, 2nd degree. If the halogen is attached to that carbon atom which has 3 other alkyl groups in its neighborhood किंवा attached to it, it is called as 3 degree halide. Students, here एक point सांगते, very important point. The halogen atom may be in anything. The halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. हा जो कार्बन ॲटम आहे ना, हे सगळीकडे मोनो असो, 1 degree 2 degree and 3 degree असो. In mono halogen derivative 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree, the halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Meaning काय मुलांनो, sp3 hybridized हा generally 1s आणि 3p orbital, atomic orbitals. प्रत्येक ॲटमचे प्रत्येक शेलमध्ये बारीक बारीक जागा असतात. Small areas where we have large tendency to find electrons like s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. here this carbon atom is undergoes hybridization. Hybridization म्हणजे काय, प्रॉपर रिएक्शन साठी थोड्याचे एकमेकांचे इलेक्ट्रॉन्सची एक्सचेंज होते, दॅट इज कॉल्ड हायब्रिडायझेशन. sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड मीन्स व्हॉट, एक s ऑर्बिटल ऑफ कार्बन आणि कार्बनचे 3 p ऑर्बिटल्स हे एकमेकांना ओव्हरलॅप होऊन 4 बॉन्ड्स तयार करतात. किती बॉन्ड्स, 4 बॉन्ड्स. सो जनरली जेव्हा सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन असतं तर कार्बन त्याच्यातला sp3 हायब्रिडाइज असतं. जर डबल, हा आता सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड आहे ना, सो हियर प्रिसाइसली एक तुम्हाला सांगून ठेवते, व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड or a saturated hydrocarbon, the carbon is sp3 hybridized, means it can be attached to 4 other atoms. It can be attached to 4 other neighboring carbon atoms. Students, हे झालं, I'll repeat, monohalogen derivatives, the halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom is the one formed by overlap of 1s and 3p orbitals, म्हणजे tendency to get attached with 4 atoms. Tendency to get attached with 4 atoms, which is only possible in saturated hydrocarbons. Next, monohalogen derivatives are also classified as haloalkenes. Haloalkenes, we can call them as haloalkenes. किंवा we can write them as allylic halide. हे alkyl halide. Primary, सेकंडरी, टर्शरी, हे सगळे मोनो, हा विसरू नका. अलायलिक हलाइड, नीट आहे का. अलायलिक हलाइड इज द वन वेअर द हॅलोजन ॲटम इज अटॅच्ड टू sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन. sp2 हायब्रिडाइज्ड म्हणजे काय, sp2 hybridized means what, the carbon is formed by the overlap of 1s and 2p orbitals, म्हणजे 3 atoms जोडण्याची तयारी, 4 atoms जोडण्याची त्याची तयारी असते, which is generally observed in saturated hydrocarbons. sp2 means tendency to get attached to 3 atoms, means consisting of a double bond. Whenever there is a double bond, the carbon is sp2 hybridized. अलायलिक हलाइड म्हणतात त्याला. वन झालं. अँड देन देर इज द थर्ड क्लासिफिकेशन विच इज कॉल्ड बेन्झाइल हलाइड. बेन्झाइल हलाइड. नाव इथं sp3 असतं मुलांनो, sp3 sp2 तर अजून थोडं वेगळं. डबल बॉन्ड जरी असला तरी हॅलोजन ॲटम इज अटॅच्ड टू दॅट कार्बन ॲटम विच कंटेन्स अ डबल बॉन्ड इन इट्स चेन. डायरेक्टली डबल बॉन्डला जोडलेलं नाही. सो the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, means tendency to get attached to 4 atoms. Tendency to get attached to 4 atoms with a double bond possible. पण इथं कसं, हा जो कार्बन ॲटम आहे ना, इट इज लिंक्ड बाय अ सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट, बेन्झाइल हलाइड. बघा फरक बघा. बेन्झाइल हलाइड, here the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom linked with an aromatic ring. Halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom, again it is sp3 hybridized, attached with a benzene ring. Okay, I'll revise. Monohalogen derivatives are classified into primary alkyl halides where the halogen is linked to sp3 hybridized carbon atom with one alkyl group in its neighborhood. If there are 2 alkyl groups secondary म्हणतात त्याला, किंवा 2 degree halide, if the halogen is attached to that carbon atom with 3 other alkyl groups in its neighborhood, 3 degree halide. Second, allylic halide, the halogen atom is attached to, मगाशी sp2 सांगितलं तुम्हाला, sp2 डायरेक्ट डबल बॉन्डला सांगते तुम्हाला, जस्ट वेट. इथं sp3 आहे हे लक्षात ठेवा. Here the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which has a double bond in its neighborhood. त्याला अलायलिक हलाइड म्हणतात. अलायलिक हलाइड. बेन्झाइल, here the halogen atom is attached to that carbon atom which has a benzene ring in its neighborhood किंवा an aromatic ring in its neighborhood. Then we have the classification. परत ह्याचं मोनोहॅलोजनचे क्लासिफिकेशन. See the classification of monohalogen now further as आता बेंझाइल हलाइड झाला विनाइल हलाइड which is also called as haloalkene. Here precisely let me tell you, halogen is attached to that carbon atom attached with a double bond. Means here the carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized कळत आहे. sp2 hybridized म्हणजे formed by the overlap of 1s and 2p orbitals म्हणजे can be linked to 3 possible atoms. तिकडे 4 इथं 3. हे haloalkene, haloalkyne. Here the halogen is attached to that carbon atom which is linked by a triple bond. Here the carbon is sp hybridized. sp hybridized means formed by overlap of only one s and one p. सांगायचं एकच सांगते, सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड असेल ना तर sp3 hybridized असतं. डबल बॉन्ड असेल the carbon is sp2 hybridized means can be connected to three possible atoms. and sp hybridized असेल तर फक्त 2 atoms पॉसिबल आहे. 4 3 2 कळतंय. 2 atoms पॉसिबल आहे. जनरली ऑब्झर्व्ड इन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड sp sp2 डबल बॉन्ड and sp3 सिंगल कोव्हॅलेंट बॉन्ड. हे झालं haloalkyne. आर यू ओके हियर? हां. देन यू हॅव aromatic halides. Now what are aromatic halides? Here the halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring which is again sp2 hybridized. The halogen atom is directly attached to the benzene ring which is sp2 hybridized. This is the classification of monohalogen derivative. मोनो प्रायमरी सेकंडरी म्हणजे ह्याला अल्काइल हलाइड्स म्हणतात. अलायलिक हलाइड, बेंझाइल हलाइड, विनाइल हलाइड डबल बॉन्ड, हॅलोअल्काइन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, एरोमॅटिक रिंग. बेंझाइल मध्ये हॅलोजन ॲटम इज अटॅच टू कार्बन ज्याच्या नेबर मध्ये एरोमॅटिक रिंग असतं. एरोमॅटिक हलाइड मध्ये हॅलोजन ॲटम इज डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू the benzene ring, directly attached to the aromatic ring. sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized. That's it. ठीक है. In the next class we will discuss the preparation of your halogen derivatives. Preparation में सगळे reactions लिहिते बोर्डावर. Then I will teach you that part. ठीक है. For today we will stop. Yes.